Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my pixie wig. This is my first time installing a wig on camera, so you guys stay tuned. So this is the wig that I will be installing. It was handmade by yours truly, and as you can see, I'm trying to fit the wig on my head and how I'm going to lay it and all of that. So as you can see, I'm not using a stocking cap because I'm all out of stocking caps, but this won't stop me from installing my wigs because the stocking cap really protects your hair, but I'm not going to be placing the glue on my wig. I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond glue. This is my first time using the Ghost Bond glue. I know nothing about this Ghost Bond glue, but we're going to see how it does work out. As you can see, I'm not placing the glue on my hair, I'm placing it on my forehead. So I don't want anyone saying in the comment section, how am I putting the glue on my hair? The glue is not on my hair, and I already use my brush to brush back my hair, so there's no glue on my hair. So I apply the glue 3 times at the same spot. When it's clear, it's time for me to reapply, and then after my 3 application I will do the install. So that's what I'm doing now. As you can see, I'm just doing the middle part and ensuring that I lay the hair properly, and I'm going to be blow drying that section to ensure that the hair does stick. As I said, I don't know about Ghost Bond, I don't use glue, I normally use the freeze spray and the gel, but I want to wear this wig for the entire week, so for work, so I just want to ensure that it stays, and I don't have to be doing this every morning before work. So guys, stay tuned. So I'm almost finished, or I thought I was finished, but right there you can see that it's lifting up. So I'm just going to be adding a little glue on that section to lay that part properly. And you don't need to apply 3 layers right here. You just apply 1 layer and you can blow dry it, and then you paste the hair down. So I'm just using the elastic band to melt it a little bit more into the skin. As you can see, it is melted, however there are some white residue from the glue. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the the rubbing alcohol to just remove that, and then I will go on to styling this hair. I put a little bit of mousse around the edges, and then I use my wrap strips to put around there as well. So that's what you're seeing right now, and I'm trying to style the hair. So guys, this the styling is, I don't want it to look too curly and I don't want it to look too straight. I just want to have a few bit of curls in it, so nothing extra. And I don't like when my hair is looking too neat, so you're not gonna see some neat curls. So I'm not a neat curls type of girl, and I'm not really a baby hair type of girl. So that's what's up. So you guys, let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video and what you think I should have done differently. Have you ever used the Ghost Bond glue? Because I've never, this is my first time using it, but so far I don't think it's my favorite glue, so I'm gonna be trying another glue. So thank you guys so much for watching. So stay tuned for more videos and watch my videos to the end. Thank you.